Hello, Henderson Huskies. This is your principal, Dr. Ramirez, bringing you an update on distance learning. Boys and girls are doing such a great job here at Henderson. I want to make sure boys and girls know they are focusing on being respectful, responsible, safe, and ready to learn. Here at Henderson, we focus on PAWS, personal best, act responsible, work and play safely, and show respect. That's right, here at Henderson, we are responsible, respectful, and safe at all times. In doing so, boys and girls, we are focusing on Students of the Week. Every week, boys and girls, we are looking for students that are excelling in virtual distance learning. That's right, we want to make sure boys and girls are working hard, focusing, doing their best at all times, and teachers have been asked to select one student a week, and they will receive an award and a prize. Boys and girls, you are more than welcome to come down on Thursdays if you're selected. Parents can bring you down to school, making sure that we're being safe at all times by wearing our face mask as well as social distancing. And here are some photos of boys and girls who did a great job last week. Keep up the great work, boys and girls. I love the way boys and girls are working on their computers. Boys and girls are reading carefully, answering questions. Teachers are checking for understanding. I also love how boys and girls, if they're unsure, are asking questions at all times. Boys and girls, we are always learning every day. Even teachers are learning. Boys and girls, thank you for being so patient as teachers work to make sure our technology is working, as well as all of the staff here at Henderson. Keep up the great work, Huskies. Every day is a new day. Make it a great one. Here at Henderson, we always take our time, make good choices. Great job, Huskies. Don't forget, we love our Henderson Huskies. Have a great day, everyone, and don't forget to be your best.